Hello everyone, welcome to Static GK quiz number 53. This video is aimed to help you with your central and state government job examinations. I'm Ritrisha from GKToday and I'll be taking you through this. Which among the following blood protein regulates the amount of water in plasma? The correct answer is albumin. Albumin is an energy storage protein and also an important osmoregulator of blood. Which among the following hormone can be used as a drug to treat cardiac arrest and some other cardiac problems? The correct answer is epinephrine. Epinephrine, also known as adrenaline, is a medication and hormone. As a medication, it is used to treat a number of conditions, including heart attacks. The popular drug acetylsalicylic acid is commonly known by which among the following names? The correct answer is aspirin. Aspirin is also known as acetylsalicylic acid. It's a salicylate drug often used as an analgesic to relieve minor aches and pains, as an antipyretic to reduce fever, and an anti-inflammatory medication. Aspirin also has an antiplatelet or anti-clotting effect and is used in long-term low dose to prevent heart attacks, strokes, and blood clot formation in people. Which among the following kinds of lenses are used to treat astigmatism? Astigmatism is due to imperfect spherical nature of eye lens. The focal length of eye lens is in two orthogonal directions and become different, so they cannot see objects in two orthogonal directions simultaneously. This defect in direction can be removed by using cylindrical lens in a particular direction. Which among the following lens is used to correct presbyopia? In presbyopia defect, both near and far objects are not clearly visible. That is, far point is lesser than infinity and near point greater than 25 cm. This can be removed either by using two separate spectacles, one for myopia and the other for hypermetropia, or by using bifocal lens. It is an old age disease. At old age, ciliary muscles lose their elasticity, so they cannot change the focal length of the eye lens effectively, and eye loses its power of accommodation. Trimethylxanthine is a chemical name of a stimulant which is found in tea and coffee. What is the popular name? The correct answer is caffeine. Caffeine is a central nervous system stimulant of the methylxanthine class. It is the world's most widely consumed psychoactive drug. Caffeine is an alkaloid, which means that it contains mostly nitrogen atoms. Morphine and nicotine are also common alkaloids. Cirrhosis is a disease that affects which among the following organs? Cirrhosis is a late stage of scarring or fibrosis of the liver caused by many forms of liver diseases and conditions such as hepatitis and chronic alcoholism. The acidic medium of gastric juice along with an enzyme pepsin breaks the protein down into smaller parts known as peptones. Peptone is a soluble protein formed in the early stage of protein breakdown during digestion. In which among the following organ Bowman's capsule is found? The correct answer is kidney. Each kidney is made of tube-like structures called nephrons or renal tubules. A nephron is the structural and functional unit of the kidney. The cup-shaped upper end called Bowman's capsule has a network of capillaries within it called glomerulus. Glomerulus is a knot of capillaries formed from the artery which brings blood containing waste and excess of water to the kidney. Bowman's capsule leads into a tubular structure. Effective TB treatment is difficult because of the unusual structural and chemical composition of which among the following parts of the cells of tuberculosis bacteria? TB is bacterial disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, bacteria that most often affect the lungs. The disease is spread from person to person through the air. It commonly affects the lungs but can also affect other parts of the body. It is the second biggest killer disease worldwide, next only to HIV/AIDS. It can be completely cured with proper and regular medication. It is difficult to treat because of the unusual structural and chemical composition of the cell wall. That's all for today's quiz. Until the next video, goodbye.